Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how you create a Craigslist account. This is a very simple thing to do guys, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and that you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So guys, the first thing you want to do is go ahead and open up the official Craigslist.org website right here if you haven't already. And after opening up the website guys, you will be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page of the Craigslist website, where you can see all the product categories that you can access for buying, such as you can see farm and garden right here. This is for sale. Here we have the services, housing, and so on. So guys, now let's go ahead and say we want to create an account on the site and get started using Craigslist. Well guys, this is how to do it. The first thing we have to do guys is go ahead and click on this account button right here in the upper right corner. So guys, go ahead and click on account, and after clicking on account, it's going to go ahead and open up this new page where you can see we can go ahead and log into our account right here. But if we do not have an account guys, what we can do is go ahead and look at this option right here, which is at the bottom that says create an account. So what we want to do guys is go ahead and enter in our email. So let's just go ahead and enter in any email that we want. I'm going to go ahead and enter in my info right here. Let's say this is my email, and go ahead and click on account, create account guys. And now as you can see, it says thanks for signing up for a Craigslist account, and the link to activate your account has been emailed to this email right here. So what we have to do guys, now go ahead and open up our email, and there will be a link that will enable you to go ahead and click on it. Click on that link guys, and it will take you to the page where you can go ahead and enter in your password. And after you have created your account guys and your password, you can go back to Craigslist, click on account again, and now you can log in using the email and the password that you have set for yourself. But yeah guys, basically that is it how to do it. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. So guys, thanks for watching, take care and bye.